Chicago's mayor versus federal agencies, a clash of authority and priorities.
I was just watching on television that the mayor in Chicago basically just said that he wants the Chicago Police Department to basically spy on ICE, a federal agency, and report back to him what's going on. Basically, he just signed some kind of act that he signed in Chicago that basically says that the Chicago Police Department is supposed to document what ICE is doing, basically get the names of the ICE agents when they're doing something that they're not supposed to be doing, get the name of the supervisors of who's supposed to be overseeing the ICE agents, get all the body cam footage, package it up into a big old little package, put a bow on it, and give it to him. Where does he fit in law enforcement? I'm a 30-year retired law enforcement veteran. I know for a simple fact, mayors are not included in law enforcement. They're not in a chain of command. They are not law enforcement officers. They are not in the position to have the power to deem whether there has been a crime committed or not. That's your local police department. That's your state's attorney's office, which then prosecutes crimes. This is why the state's attorney's office quickly came out and said, hey, we didn't know anything about this until we heard about it on television. We didn't sign off on this. We need to see what this is about before we even attempt to sign off on something like this, because that's not the way it goes. Law enforcement officers are not supposed to be spying on other law enforcement officers. Now, don't get me wrong. I am not saying that if a law enforcement officer is literally doing something that's criminal and he is violating the rights of another citizen, that he should not be called to the carpet. He should, he should definitely be prosecuted or put in jail or whatever it may be, because we took an oath not to violate and commit crimes. So I understand that. But this is not what your mayor is saying. The mayor of Chicago is saying, once again, people, that it's more important for him to find out what an ICE agent is doing than it is to find out what a murderer is doing in Inglewood, or what somebody is doing in K-Town, or what somebody may be doing on the east side or in North Chicago. What's going on? Once again, Chicago is putting African Americans and Hispanics, let's do the black and the brown right now, in a position that illegal aliens are more important to them. They want to protect the illegals. This man, again, gave $650 million to a whole race of people and took it out of the pockets of people who've been needing it for years. Now he's saying that, well, you know what? You don't even need to be protected anymore. I'm going to have my police department, the Chicago Police Department, spy on federal officers instead of being inside the neighborhoods protecting people, instead of being inside the neighborhoods trying to mentor to individuals, instead of being in the neighborhood trying to protect seniors when they're just trying to go about shopping and pick up the groceries that they may need, or go do check-ins for their medical. This is what he's saying. Wake up, people. What is wrong that you all can't see this? You keep voting for people and putting people in office who keeps shorting you in the end.